Hey guys, this is Caleb with Caleb's Catches. We are back at the Watts Bar Dam, and I've got me a couple different rigs. We're just going to get out here and hopefully catch some good ones. Here we go. Okay. So we're going to put a minnow on here and I'll show you all the rig I've got. Oh wow, we got some good sized minnows tonight. Where'd he go? There he is. About got away. Alright. I am recording with my camera as well, so I've got the Ibobber screen that was working. So I'll just show y'all here. I got a little amberdeen hook. We'll put it in the back right through here. And as you can see, he can still move and wiggle around. So let me show y'all my rig. This is my slip bobber rig. I've got my minnow down here. I've got a little finder jig right here, if you can see that. This little feather jig, followed by some, make sure y'all see this, some weights, and then you've got the bead, the slip bobber, and this is set to about, the feather jig is about 9 feet, and the minnow is about 10 to 11. Too much weight. So, oh come on. Oh, that might be a bite. Oh, I think we got something. Oh my goodness, I don't know what it is, but we got something. What in the world? Oh, it's fighting. Oh, it's fighting. Oh, look at that fight. Oh, it's a nice crappie. Nice crappie. Yes! And it wanted the feather. Look at that. Look at that, guys. He wanted the feather jig over the minnow. Wow. Nice crappie. There we go, guys. There we go. That's a crappie. How big is this guy? Hey, it's a good size, I'd say. Put your mouth against the board. He is almost, he's 11 3/4 inches. We got us a keeper crappie. Oh, got something. What in the world? Yeah, it's still there. Big old. This is I can't see it in the light. Shit. Oh, we actually got us. There he is. See how big he is. I gotta pick him up again. It's about 10 inches long. So some form of white bass. You want to go back to the water? Then let me put you back. Oh goodness. Thanks for playing, buddy. Oh goodness. What are you? You're digging. Come here, buddy. Oh my goodness. What are you? Oh. Come on. Oh, come on. Oh, we got a nice bass. Oh my goodness, that's a big one. Oh wow, that's a big one. Wow. All right, zeroed out. So it is 1.3 pounds. And like, I'm gonna give y'all a full view of the fish. I mean, it's a nice fish. He is mouth to board a little over 13 inches. Just make sure y'all can see that sideline, because I'm trying to determine if this is a stripe, a hybrid, or what. Nice bass nonetheless. He's a bigger bass, so I don't know if... There he is, guys. Look how thick it is. And he's gone. Well guys, what an awesome night of fishing. Slip bobber rig, really putting in the work. Tried my own little finder rig that had a live minnow at the bottom with a small little feather jig in the middle. So I'll probably do a video on how to make a slip bobber rig and then tell you the different options. But guys, you can't complain about that. Broke a PB on either a white bass or yellow bass, so I'll have to go back and review. If that was a yellow bass, it was a trophy, but I'm pretty sure it was a white. So guys, I hope y'all are having an amazing time watching this content. It's going to start warming up soon, and y'all can even get out there and do some of this fishing if you're not into this cold weather. So if that subscribe button's red, make sure it's gray so you don't miss any of this upcoming content. And this is Caleb's Catches reminding you, we're here to teach the world to fish one cast at a time.